Hello everyone, today I will tell you about top 5 burning juices. First, cucumber and lemon juice. Cucumber and lemon juice is one of the best hydrating, fat-burning drinks. Cucumber is 95% water and extremely low in calories, while lemon improves digestion and helps reduce stubborn belly fat. To make it, blend 1 cucumber with 1 cup of water and the juice of half a lemon. Drink it on an empty stomach. Second, carrot and orange juice. This bright and refreshing combination is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Carrots help reduce cravings, while oranges boost metabolism and support fat loss. Blend 2 carrots with 1 orange and half a cup of water. Drink it mid-morning for best results. Third, beetroot and ginger juice. Beetroot increases stamina, and ginger helps reduce inflammation. Together, they support fat loss while boosting energy levels. Blend 1 small beetroot, a small piece of ginger, half a lemon, and water. This juice is also great before a workout. Fourth, pineapple and mint juice. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps improve digestion and break down fat. Mint soothes the stomach and keeps the body cool. Blend 1 cup of pineapple with a few mint leaves and water. Drink it chilled before lunch. Fifth, green apple and spinach juice. This green juice is packed with fiber, iron, and metabolism-boosting nutrients. Blend 1 green apple, a handful of spinach, half a lemon, and half a cup of water. It's perfect for early evenings. These juices work best when paired with a clean diet and regular movement. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Quick Cure for more natural health tips.